गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। सो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा जो पार्टनरशिप का जो चैप्टर है फंडामेंटल, ठीक है, वो ख़त्म हो गया है। अब उसका एक कंप्लीट फुल फ्लेज सम जो उस चैप्टर का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट सम है, ठीक है, आज हम वो डिस्कस करेंगे कैसे हमने प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है अगर हमें हमारे पूरे चैप्टर की फुल फ्लेज सारी जर्नल एंट्रीज या सारी एडजस्टमेंट गिवन होगी। सो मैं पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एग्जांपल राइट डाउन करने लगा हूँ, तो एग्जांपल लिख लीजिए। फिर उसके बाद जो है हम उसको एक एक करके सॉल्व करेंगे कि कैसे उस एग्जांपल को सॉल्व किया जाएगा। तो मैं एक एग्जांपल लिख रहा हूँ, पी क्यू एंड आर। पी क्यू एंड आर वर पार्टनर्स in a firm having capital of rupees 1,20,000, 1 lakh and rupees 60,000 respectively. Clear? Their current account balances were P is equals to 18,000, Q is equals to 12,000 bracket debit, and R rupees 10,000. According to the partnership deed, the partners were entitled to interest on capital at the rate 8% per annum. R being a working partner was also entitled to a salary of rupees 8,000 per annum. The profits were to be divided. मैं इसको रब कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, ऊपर से रब कर रहा हूँ ताकि आपको जो है मैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट जो वो लिख सकूँ। First rupees 28,000 in proportion of their capital. B. Next, rupees 40,000 in the ratio of 4:3:1, and C. Balance profits to be shared equally. क्लियर? अब मैं नीचे से रब कर रहा हूँ बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ द पोर्शन। the firm made profit. The firm made profit of rupees 158400 before charging any of the above item. The above item. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. ठीक है, so ये हमारा full fledged sum है. So what we have to be prepared? So we have to be prepared the profit and loss appropriation account. Clear? So होप आप लोगों ने ये क्वेश्चन जो है इसको लिख लिया हो. अब जो मैं इसको रब कर रहा हूँ और इसका मैं सॉल्यूशन पार्ट के ऊपर जा रहा हूँ. सॉल्यूशन पार्ट के ऊपर अब हम बात करेंगे. ठीक है, सो हमने क्या बनाना है? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. सो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. क्लियर? सो दिस इज आवर फॉर्मेट, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, and first of all, what adjustment we will do? It's about the net profit. So where we will post the net profit, it's about the credit side. So we just post the by net profit. It's 158400. It's 1,58,400. And next part is about the interest on capital. Interest is our expense. So we just post on the debit side to interest on capital. Clear? So what's the capital is 1,20,000 and the rate of the interest is 8%. Okay, so it's 9,600 and Q's capital is 1 lakh and the rate of interest is 8%. It's 8,000 and R is 60,000 and the rate of interest is 8%. It's 4,800 and it's P, Q and R's interest on capital. And next, what adjustment they are saying about? It's R being a working partner was also entitled to a salary of 8,000 per annum. So we are giving the salary to the R as a working partner. So what we will write about to R salary? It's 8,000. Okay, so any other adjustment? No. Okay, so 1,58,400 minus 9,600 minus 8,000 minus 4,800 and minus 8,000. So what profit we get? It's 1,28,000. 1,28,000. Okay, so now what adjustment they have given about how we will distribute about the profits. So we just check out that the profits were to be divided as follows. First, 28,000 in proportion of their capital. So we have to be distribute first 28,000 in proportion of their capital. So I'm just going down. So one statement which shows the distribution of the profits between the partners. So I'm just going to make here. So please don't mess up the things. It's just a statement showing the distribution of profits. Distribution of profits. Okay, and so particulars P, Q and R. Okay, so P, Q and R. So first 28,000 we have to be distributed in the proportion of their capital. So what capital is? 1,20,000, 1 lakh and 60,000. So if we do the proportionate, then we get 6:5:3. So we distribute the 28,000 as 12,000, 10,000 and 6,000 respectively. Okay, then read out the next point what they are saying. Next 40,000 in the ratio of 4:3:1. So we have to be distribute next 40,000 in the ratio 4:3:1. So it's 20,000, 15,000 and 5,000. Okay, and next what they are saying, the balance profits to be shared equally. So we have to be distribute the balance amount in the equal proportion. So balance, how much profit we get, it's 60,000. So we distribute in the equally, that is 1:1:1. So 20,000, 20,000 and 20,000. So the total is 52,000. Okay, then 45,000 and then 31,000. Okay, so this is the distribution of the profits as per the the rules and the regulations given by the sum. So the profit we will distribute to the P, Q and R is 52,000, 45,000 and 31,000. So this is how we distribute the profits. Hope you will all clear about this topic, and if you have any kind of the queries about how we will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account, you just contact me and you just share your queries. And if you like this video, then please like this video, share and subscribe the channel. And thank you so much.